everyone, and welcome back to Watch More. I'm so happy you're joining me again for another exciting part of our Jelitkowo Beach Poland series. If you enjoy relaxing beach walks, beautiful travel destinations, and the vibrant atmosphere of Europe's coastline, you're in the right place. Before we begin, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest walking tours and travel adventures. Your support helps this channel grow and allows me to bring you more amazing destinations from around the world. Today, we're returning to the beautiful Jelitkowo Beach, one of Poland's most popular seaside destinations. The beach is full of life, with soft golden sand, refreshing Baltic Sea breezes, and a lively promenade where visitors come to relax, walk, cycle, and enjoy the summer sunshine. As you watch, you'll experience the cheerful summer atmosphere, colorful beach umbrellas, stylish summer fashion, families enjoying their holidays, friends spending time together, and the peaceful sound of the waves meeting the shore. Whether you're planning a future visit or simply looking for a relaxing escape, I hope this walk brings you a little closer to the beauty of the Polish coast. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy this immersive walking tour through one of Poland's most beautiful beaches. Stay with me until the very end, because there are plenty of wonderful seaside views and unforgettable moments waiting ahead. If you haven't already, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who love travel and beach walks. Thank you for watching Watch More. Let's begin our journey.
Do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out. On a trip, on a boat, on a lake. I'm tired of feeling all FOMO, babe. I don't even care if we stay home. Put our to-do list on ice. Crank the AC to 79 and make a little island right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it, 'cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Till the sun's up Monday, we'll tell our phones, do not disturb. I got my straw hat, babe. And you can finally pull the tags on your Tommy Bahama shirt. Blue crush up on the 85-inch sound machine when we wanna hear the ocean. I think everything we need is right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it, 'cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Oh, this view of you, it's got everything I need. Yeah, the rooms, they're cheap, and if we don't want it, we don't ever, ever, ever have to leave. Yeah, there might not be a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it, 'cause paradise is wherever we make it. On ice. Paradise is wherever we make it. AC to 79. Paradise is wherever we make it.
Thank you so much for joining me on today's walk through beautiful Jelitkowo Beach, Poland. I hope you enjoyed the relaxing beach vibes and summer atmosphere. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to watch more, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next adventure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care!